breaking news coming straight out of Russia, and car lovers around the world are shocked. A car that many people once ignored is suddenly making headlines again. Experts are calling it the comeback of one of Russia's most important modern cars. Yes, we're talking about the legendary Lada Vesta. This car was once seen as just a simple budget vehicle, but today it is becoming a symbol of Russia's automotive resilience and innovation. What is really happening with the Lada Vesta? Why are people suddenly talking about it again? And could this car actually challenge popular sedans in global markets in the future? Stay with us because today on Top Gear Cars we are uncovering the full story behind the Lada Vesta, the car that refuses to disappear. To understand why the Lada Vesta is making headlines today, we have to go back to the moment it was first introduced. The Vesta was launched in 2015 by the Russian automaker AvtoVAZ, the same company famous for producing classic vehicles like the legendary Lada Niva. At the time of its release, the Russian auto industry needed something fresh, modern, and competitive. Many older Lada models were known for their simplicity, but they lacked modern design and advanced features. The Vesta was supposed to change that completely. And when people first saw the car, they were genuinely surprised. The design of the Lada Vesta was a huge step forward compared to previous Lada vehicles. The sharp lines, aggressive front grille, and the signature X-shaped design language gave it a bold and modern look. Suddenly, this wasn't just another budget sedan. It actually looked like something designed for the modern global market. Many experts even said the Vesta looked more stylish than some European compact sedans. But design was only part of the story. Under the hood, the Lada Vesta was designed to be practical, reliable, and affordable. It was built with engines ranging from 1.6-litre to 1.8-litre petrol options, delivering enough power for everyday driving, while still being fuel efficient. For many drivers, especially in harsh climates and difficult road conditions, reliability matters more than extreme performance. And this is exactly where the Vesta started winning people over. Another major advantage was comfort. Earlier Lada models were often criticized for basic interiors and limited features. But the Vesta introduced a much more modern cabin. Drivers got touch-screen infotainment systems, improved seat comfort, better materials, and modern safety technologies like stability control and airbags. For many customers in Russia and neighboring markets, the Vesta suddenly felt like a serious competitor to popular compact sedans. However, the story of the Lada Vesta was not always smooth. The global automotive industry went through major changes in the early 2020s, and Russia's auto sector faced huge challenges. Production disruptions, supply chain issues, and economic pressures forced manufacturers to rethink their strategies. At one point, many people believed the future of the Vesta was uncertain. Factories slowed down, production lines stopped, and rumors spread that the model might disappear entirely. But this is where the story becomes truly shocking. Instead of disappearing, the Lada Vesta made a dramatic comeback. Engineers at AvtoVAZ worked hard to restart production and redesign certain components to adapt to new conditions. When the updated Vesta returned to the market, it proved that Russian automakers could still build competitive vehicles even during difficult times. The updated Vesta also received several improvements. The exterior became even more modern with sharper headlights and updated styling elements. The interior was upgraded with improved technology and better driver assistance features. These changes helped the Vesta remain relevant in a rapidly evolving automotive market. One of the biggest reasons the Vesta continues to succeed is its balance between price and value. In many markets, car prices have increased dramatically, making new vehicles difficult to afford for average buyers. But the Lada Vesta remains relatively affordable, while still offering solid reliability and practical features. For families, daily commuters, and budget-conscious drivers, this balance makes a huge difference. Another factor that helps the Vesta stand out is its ability to handle tough conditions. Russia is known for extreme winters, rough roads, and long distances between cities. Vehicles sold in these environments must be durable and dependable. The Vesta was engineered with these conditions in mind, which gives it an advantage over some competitors designed mainly for smoother urban roads. The car also gained popularity among taxi drivers and fleet operators. Low maintenance costs and strong durability make it an attractive option for businesses that depend on reliable transportation every day. Over time, this helped the Vesta become one of the most recognizable modern Russian sedans on the road. What makes this story even more interesting is the growing curiosity about Russian cars worldwide. As the global auto industry shifts toward electric vehicles and advanced technology, many people are watching how different countries adapt. Some analysts believe that Russian manufacturers may continue developing affordable and practical vehicles for emerging markets. If that happens, the Lada Vesta could play an important role in expanding Russia's automotive presence internationally. There are also rumors that future versions of the Vesta could receive hybrid or electric technology. While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, the idea alone has sparked excitement among car enthusiasts. Imagine a modern electric version of the Vesta designed for reliability and affordability. That could completely change how people view Russian automobiles. At the end of the day, the Lada Vesta represents more than just a car. It represents resilience, adaptation, and the determination of an industry that refuses to give up. From its impressive launch in 2015 to the challenges of recent years, and its unexpected comeback, the Vesta has proven that even under pressure, innovation can continue. And now the big question remains: could the Lada Vesta eventually compete with popular global compact sedans if it expands beyond its traditional markets? Some experts believe it could, especially if future versions bring new technologies and improved efficiency. Others think it will remain primarily focused on regional markets, where durability and affordability matter most. But one thing is certain: the story of the Lada Vesta is far from over. As new updates, technologies, and models continue to emerge, this Russian sedan could surprise the world again. And if you love discovering hidden automotive stories like this one, make sure you stay connected with Top Gear Cars, because here we explore the most fascinating vehicles, shocking car comebacks, and the future machines that could change the automotive world forever. Car Fire.